Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple zucchini boat recipe. It requires very few ingredients and it doesn't take a long time, so the kids can help you out making it. It's kind of fun to make a boat. What you need for this is actually 2 medium-sized zucchinis or 4 smaller ones like I'm using today. A small onion, this is more like a medium onion, I'm going to chop it up. Ketchup. A sweet pepper and a green pepper, 3/4 to 1 pound of chopped meat, and some kind of cheddar cheese mix. In this case, I have a Mexican blend. You also need to have a skillet, and you have to have a 9x13 baking dish, like a Pyrex. We're going to set the oven for 350 to begin. And let's get going. Set the oven for 350. So to begin with, I'm going to first peel and halve these zucchini. So, with the magic of cinema, okay, there they are. They're peeled and halved. Now, this recipe calls for using the zucchini pulp. So you're going to take a spoon, and you're going to take it right out of the middle to make the boat. Just like that, for all of them. This pulp gets put in the skillet, and while you're browning the meat, the pulp also cooks. It becomes some kind of base for the filling. So we're going to do that to all of them. Once all the zucchinis are hollowed out, I'm going to place them in a 9x13 baking dish, but I'm going to spray it first with some oil, and then I'm going to place all the boats in there. Next up, we're going to cut and chop up the peppers. Here they are, and here they are, all cut up. Next up is the small onion. I'm going to put these in the skillet with the other things. Next up, we're going to chop up this onion. So there. And there they are. So now we have our onions ready to go. They're going to go in the skillet, along with the pulp, and the peppers, and the meat. So let's go over to the oven. So I've transferred my vegetables into the skillet. I'm going to take my spatula, move them around a bit. First, we're just going to put in these items and the red meat. There we go. And that's going to be in there until the meat browns. Give that a few minutes. Okay, let's see how it's going. It's been in the skillet for some time now. Okay, the meat is browned. The onions are starting to look translucent. At this point, we take it off the heat and we bring it over to mix it with some cheese. I'm going to bring over the skillet. Right there. We're going to take half the cheese that we prepared and we're going to mix that right in there. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Make sure we get all of it. And then you can salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to use Mrs. Dash. About 2 tablespoons in. Let's mix it all up. those onions in here. Okay. So now we have our filling. What we're going to do is we're going to take the filling and we're going to spoon it into the zucchini boats. I'll just begin. The largest one first. That's always the easiest. If it looks like the vegetables aren't ready yet, don't worry, we still have to bake this for 30 minutes. As you can see, there's still a lot of filling left over, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it around the zucchinis. That way when it's baking, the juice of everything will come out, flavor everything, and it'll all taste good as well. Then it'll go in the oven for 30 minutes. So let me do that. Okay, as you can see, I put the filling around the zucchini as much as possible. Now I'm going to take the last half a cup of our cheese. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on top of everything. Fine coating. It will melt and look nice. Okay, so we have it prepped. Let's go to the oven. Okay, the oven's been heating. It's at 350. Now we're going to take this, place it on the top rack for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, this is just about done. Waiting for the timer. Okay, here we are. They look nice and done. Everything is nice and browned. And the zucchinis are soft. Okay, so let me put on the platter. Let's take a look what we have. Okay, so here we have our zucchini boats. They look nice and done. The zucchinis are nice and soft. And it's very easy. It took 30 minutes. You can add time, like I said, or you could subtract time, depending on how firm the zucchinis are and your own personal taste. So anyway, until next time, enjoy!